In Automation Studio, IT teams can build end-to-end network automations in a low-code drag-and-drop environment. Under Automations, a list of imported and custom-created automations appears, and selecting one will load it into the canvas for viewing, editing, and testing. In this example of a typical router upgrade automation, you can see the start of the automation and each step it will take along the way in a clean and logical interface. Backing up the device configuration uses an API call into Itential's Configuration Manager application. Next, we can open a change request ticket into an ITSM like ServiceNow for change management. Another step is to query a source of truth like an IPAM system for information needed before the upgrade. Then, running a pre-check using a command template to ensure that the network and the device to be upgraded are in the desired state. A transformation is a feature that makes it very simple to map the API output from a previous step into the required format for an API call in the current step. A decision branch provides the ability to take alternate paths in the automation, in this case, if the pre-check conditions are not met, to revert and notify and end the automation. This task does the work of upgrading the software on a router in a child job, which calls another automation workflow. This step will run a command template as a post-check after the work was completed and save the output. Tasks can involve human intervention like this one, where the results of the pre-check and post-check can be viewed by a network engineer before proceeding. Finally, the automation is complete when it reaches the end. Now let's turn our attention to the left side for a moment. For automations that require input from a user, forms and JSON forms can be created and used to get input from a user and validate that input before using it in an automation. A series of template features are available to use in automations for creating pre- and post-check tasks, comparing output, and parsing output from network devices. Transformations can be quickly designed in a drag-and-drop canvas to manipulate and map data between one API call and another API call. All of these features are reusable and can be utilized in many different automations, so teams can leverage previous work, making the process of building automations even faster.